Hello, my name is Simon Armstrong and I am the CEO of NKP-Isotec USA. I'd like to welcome you to our presentation video for the AALAS 2023 Demo Day. The following video you will see our products and services that we now offer across North America. Included in the video you'll hear the voices of Georgina Armstrong and Melanie Klein, who are two very important members of our team and who will be at the end of the video available for questions. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I would like to thank AALAS for giving us this opportunity to present, and enjoy. Thank you.
Hi there guys, my name is Georgie Armstrong and welcome to our AALAS Demo Day presentation. We're really looking forward to giving you a bit of a snippet as to the things and services that we can do as a company. And for those of you who don't know who we are, at NKP-Isotec, we specialise in bespoke biocontainment equipment and the kind of sundries that go along with those. Specifically, our speciality is with the flexible film isolators. Now, my colleague Melanie will be going into that in more detail later on. But just to give you an idea, we're well established in the UK and Europe. We have got lots of clients across those regions. And we recently came out to the US as well so that we could kind of continue to provide our service, and especially our bespoke service, to the US market as well. So with that, I'm going to hand over to my colleague Melanie, and she will go into more detail about all of our product range.
Hello, my name is Melanie. I work at NKP in the sales department. My main focus is antibiotics, biocontainment and isolators. As I have worked in a germ-free facility myself for several years and come basically from the practical background, I'm very happy to help our customers when they starting fresh with the facility, when they're interested in our products, need any technical advice, or even when they have an interest in new products that we want to design with them. Our main focus is the supply of isolators, usually germ-free, antibiotic, or any biocontainment. We listen to what you need. Every facility is different. There are different room sizes, there are different logistics, and often a standard product doesn't really fit. Also, special research often requires special equipment. We'd like to listen to you, come to your facility and help you decide what's the best solution for you. If you have an older isolator or inherited something from a different facility and need to try and make it work, we will have a look and try and make it work. We can custom make replacement canopies, parts and anything that helps you use what you've already got. Different research means different approaches, and to give you a little bit of an insight, we collaborate with customers and with different suppliers to help develop the proper equipment that's suited for you. So positive pressure, negative pressure, the ability to use gas for sterilization, or have special access points for electricity, different types of ports, anything that's basically something you may need, we will try and achieve if that's within our scope. In the next slides, you can see different isolators we have produced for customers already. Large isolators, double tier isolators, single tier. We've made a special isolator for the Phenomaster system in collaboration with TSC in order to house these studies on the germ-free conditions. Another interesting project we had was a study that needed to be done in absolute darkness. So we developed a completely black isolator. On a concept drawing, you also see a hybrid isolator, which can basically switch from black into light conditions. So once you remove the front cover, you can use the isolator as normal. But if you do need to completely block out the lights, you can add a front cover, which you can then basically use in order to do your studies under darkness conditions, and that's independent of the room the isolator is housed, which makes it nice and flexible. With our accessory range, we also offer different size autoclave drums, the 18-inch and the 12-inch, and we could even do in-between sizes. Not everybody has the opportunity to use a full-size autoclave where the drum could be rolled in together with the trolley. For those autoclaves, we design the trolleys at the correct height so that you can load and unload your autoclave drum ergonomically. Sometimes this may require even wheels fitted to these cylinders. Having designed your perfect isolator for your room, usually this doesn't stop with designing new things. The special equipment also needed for the research is sometimes not available for isolators. The materials need to be usually autoclavable or acid resistant so you can sterilize them, or they need to be a certain size to fit through the ports and hatches that you have available. We sit together with our customers, ask them what they really need and help them develop something that works for them. Is sterilizable, either with a liquid sterilizer or to be autoclaved, fits inside a sterilizing cylinder and then also needs to fit inside the isolator through the hatch. It teaches us a lesson that usually working inside the box means we have to think a little bit outside the box to make this happen. The Notto transport cage we have developed is very versatile. It helps you with time management as your end-term experiments now don't need to be exported on the day it's needed, but you can export your animals already a day or even 2 days beforehand, which makes it a lot easier for you to plan and manage your isolators. Fewer imports, less risk of contamination, because you are able to plan and incorporate these with your normal imports and exports. You can also ship the animals inside this box, as within a week it is not a problem. You have to just supply some water, obviously for shipping, not in form of a bottle, but with either gel packs or wet food. And that way you can ship the animal in this transport cage to another facility internationally. And the receiver, on the other hand, can directly import this cage into the isolator. When you consider to set up a germ-free facility, the planning is everything. We have helped many groups already to start from scratch, and we found it is so important that the input is coming from the beginning, before you even start buying the first equipment. The room size, your research, everything is determining what is best for you. And our dedicated CAD team can help you make the most out of these rooms. It's vitally important that you understand from the beginning, and we understand from the beginning what you really want out of this. That way we can design the right equipment that fits everything into your space. We can talk all these things over, have you a 3D presentation of the room with the equipment so you can actually visualize what you are going to get. After all the equipment is purchased, the challenges usually start. This is when it happens that you need to figure out what is the best SOP, how do I maintain my animals for a long period of time, what do I do if something goes wrong, what do I have to look out for. In order to achieve this, we recommend a few facilities that you can visit which offer training, but we also are very happy to come on site and look at your facility and your logistics. Often it's not possible to go to another facility, and also your facility might be a bit different. It helps a lot to give you some advice and walk you through of how we suggest you could achieve the best goal for your research. With the equipment in place, we also offer maintenance and servicing. A lot of facilities usually do this historically by themselves, but often it's a nice service to have an external company check everything over and make sure that nothing is missed. Often we can anticipate some problems before they become a real issue. We are now very happy to take any questions that you may have, and if we cannot cover everything, please do not hesitate to get in touch, email us and ask us anything you're interested in.